Hi guys, this is Ms. Anderson, and today's lesson we are going to talk about researching to support your claim or your argument. Let's go. So the first question is, what is research? So research is the search for information from sources such as the internet, books, and other places in order to obtain facts to support an argument or a claim. So when we go out to a website such as Google, or we go to the library and look in books or magazines or articles, we are searching for information that's going to support what our claim is. That's what research is looking for information that's going to support your claim or your argument. Even people can be sources of information. Research is used to answer a question or to support an argument. Research is used in every field and in every part of life. So from now until the rest of your life, you will be doing research in some form or fashion. Research is how we obtain credible information that either answers a question that we have or supports an argument or a claim. Okay, let's make sure that we have a few key terms so that we understand what an argument is. So first off is a fact. A fact is information that can be proven true. If it cannot be proven true, then it is an opinion. A fact is information that you can go out and search and find that it is true, and an opinion is just your belief or just how you feel about a particular topic. An argument. An argument is a claim that is either spoken or written, which intends to persuade your audience to agree with you. Persuasion. Persuasion is how we make another person or group agree with us. And we do that through making an argument, through using appeals, and calling for action. A claim. A claim is an opinion that must be backed up with evidence. So please remember that a claim is an opinion. You make your claim stronger, you make your argument stronger when you back it up with evidence. But a claim, others can always disagree with it. That's the whole point in a claim. A claim is not factual, it is an opinion. It is how you feel, it is a belief. And then we have evidence. Evidence is details, facts, reasons, statistics, our research, and even our experiences, all that are designed to support our claim. All of those things can be evidence. And we are going to look at credible sources. A credible source is a website such as an EDU website that provides reports and articles that are written and produced by experts and professionals. So these are the key terms in supporting an argument. So let's talk about making an argument with evidence. So there are 5 things that you need to do. First, in your paper, you need to, or if this is a speech, whether this is oral or written, first thing you need to do is make your point. What is your point? And you do that by taking a position. Whatever your topic is, take a position, whether you are for or against it, and then state your claim. So first, make your point, take a position, and state your claim. After you state your claim, next you're going to state your reasons for your claim. So why are you making this claim? Why is this claim important? And more importantly, why should I care about this claim? You're going to support your reasons with evidence, and that evidence is using examples, okay? That's the only way you're going to make me agree with how you feel about a particular topic is by stating your reasons and then supporting your reasons with evidence. Next, you're going to explain, and then you're going to link your evidence to your reasons. Okay? And then you're going to maintain a formal style. Maintaining a formal style is important, whether you're giving an oral speech or you're writing an essay. You don't want to use informal language. You always want to use formal language when making an argument. Okay, in order to make your point, first you must take a position. Is your argument for or against your topic? And then what is your claim? Second, clearly state your claim. Your reader should not have to guess what your claim is. And then after that, clearly state your argument. What is your argument? If it is not clear, then you will not persuade. Okay, here's supporting that claim with evidence again. Your claim and your argument must be supported with factual evidence. If you have no evidence, your claim or argument is simply an opinion. And if it's simply an opinion, then it won't be very persuasive. Then your argument becomes debatable. Debatable means that I may strike your reasons down if your reasons are not supported with factual evidence. So when we go out to do research, we're going to look for credible sources. Credible sources such as websites, books, encyclopedias, all of those things are going to help us support our claim. Now I like this picture here. Look at this picture. What do you mean all my facts are wrong? I copied everything straight off the internet. Can you tell me what's wrong with that? Next, you want to explain your evidence. Clearly explain your evidence and how it relates to your points. Your audience should be clear on your position. All of your evidence must lead back to your main points. The only evidence that you should use is evidence that's going to support your main point. Otherwise, you are off task. Okay, here's that formal style again. Your argument can be written or oral. Oral means it's given by mouth. And you must follow the writing process for both. And if you are given an oral argument, make sure to speak clearly, make sure to use complete sentences, and no slang. No, what's up, doc? Or yeah. That is not formal language. If writing, make sure you have all of the information. When you are writing, there's no text talk, there's no see you later, there's none of that. You're using formal language, no slang whatsoever when speaking or writing an argument. Okay, when you go out and do research and you pull back information from your research, you must always tell where you got your facts from. Okay, that is called citing your source. And then your citation can be in the text, meaning in the paragraph, or it can be at the end of your writing. Very, very important concept that you need to understand about research is going out and doing research is fine, but you must always cite your source, meaning if you got information from some other source, then you have to cite that source. You have to tell where you got that information. If you do not say where you got that information, that is called plagiarism. Plagiarism is taking information from someone else and then passing it off as your own. To avoid plagiarism, you simply need to cite your evidence. So that's why you always cite information, evidence, details, facts, statistics, whatever that you retrieve from the internet, you always cite it in your text. Remember, cutting and pasting from the internet is plagiarism. We do not plagiarize. Here are some examples of how you want to cite your sources. So, for example, I go out to Google. My topic is deforestation. I am against deforestation. I am against the cutting down of trees. Cutting down of trees harms our environment. So I go out to a website, let's say naturalresources.com. And natural resources gives me a whole list of reasons why deforestation is wrong. So in my text, in my essay, I can write something like, according to history.com or whatever the website is, we can see that cutting down trees is detrimental or bad for our environment. When we cut down trees, according to history.com, we harm our environment. So that is how you would cite your sources. Okay, so I gave you some information on how to perform research, okay? And that is what we call theory, okay? So now that you know what to research, we are now going to learn how to research. And so in class, we are actually going to go to the internet and we're going to find credible sources. And then we are going to look at those sources. We're going to read and understand if the information that they have supports our reasons and our claim. And if they do, we're going to pull that information and we are going to add it to our text. We are also going to properly cite our source, and we are going to do that in two ways. We are going to paraphrase a source, which paraphrasing is taking the information and putting it in your own words. And we are going to directly quote it by putting a reference or a citation in the text. So let's get started with researching to support your argument. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.